The window between winning a judgment and the debtor filing bankruptcy may be short, and what you do in that window determines how much of your judgment survives. Here's a systematic approach to protecting your position before a bankruptcy filing closes the door. Record your judgment lien immediately. In most states, recording a certified abstract of judgment with the county recorder creates a lien on all real estate the debtor owns or later acquires in that county. Once recorded, this lien is a secured interest, and secured interests are treated far more favorably in bankruptcy than unsecured claims. Even in Chapter 7, a properly perfected lien typically survives the discharge, allowing you to foreclose on the property after the bankruptcy closes. Perfect any other security interests. If you have a security agreement or collateral that supports your judgment, confirm that your security interest is properly perfected through a UCC financing statement. Unperfected security interests are particularly vulnerable in bankruptcy. The trustee's strong arm powers allow avoidance of unperfected liens. Execute bank levies and wage garnishment before the filing. A bank levy or wage garnishment served and partially paid before the bankruptcy filing may be subject to preference recovery. The trustee can claw back payments received within 90 days of filing if you received more than you would have in Chapter 7. But collecting now is still better than waiting. You can always defend against a preference action. Conduct an emergency asset investigation. Identify all assets, bank accounts, real estate, vehicles, business interests, before the automatic stay cuts off your ability to act. Even if the levy must wait until after a stay relief motion, knowing exactly where the assets are positions you to move immediately when relief is granted. File a motion for relief from stay immediately after the bankruptcy filing. If you have identified specific assets to enforce against, particularly real estate with non-exempt equity, a prompt stay relief motion, filed within days of the bankruptcy, signals your seriousness to the trustee and positions you for early relief. Object to exemption claims. Review the debtor's claimed exemptions carefully. If the debtor is claiming exemptions improperly, overstating exemptions, claiming property that doesn't qualify, or claiming exemptions under a state they don't qualify to use, file a timely objection. The deadline to object to exemptions is 30 days after the conclusion of the 341 meeting. People Locator Skip Tracing provides emergency pre-bankruptcy asset investigation. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.